Hi everyone, just wanted to do a quick demo on how this new style of assignment will work. So moving forward for the reading comprehension assignments, uh, we're going to use a Google form, which is built turned into a quiz. So when you do it, you'll get immediate feedback, and it'll help me keep track of your marks a little better as well. So this is the teacher side of things. When you click on this form here, it'll say set 4. You guys did set 3 last time. So when you click on this one, it'll bring you to a sheet that looks like this. So as you can see, I have the reading passages already in the assignment. So read the passage, then answer the question, put your responses on the bottom. So you'll read your assignment just like usual, and then just underneath it, so you'll read number 1 and pop in your answer, A, B, C, or D. Number 2, A, B, C, or D. Okay, and then you'll go next. I'm just going to put in some random answers here. I have no idea what they are, and we'll go next. Okay, they are required. You have to answer every single question. Same thing for this one. Read that passage, answer all the questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, pop in your answers. Okay, if I try to go next, it tells me that I still have to do number 3, so I'll pop my answer in. Got one more page left. Okay, same thing, read, answer the questions, see what happens if I do all 8, and then click submit. Okay, your response has been recorded, so that lets you know that I've received it. View score, I got 2 out of 12, so really bad. So make sure you actually read the passage and you read the questions and the proper responses. Then you can close the window and you're done. So hopefully it's a little bit easier for you, a little less messing around with Google Docs. Good luck.